Welcome back to Car Reviews Updates. Today, we have something truly special, the 2025 Mercedes S-Class. This is the car that defines luxury, innovation, and effortless performance. If you're looking for the ultimate full-size luxury sedan, you're in the right place. Let's dive into what makes the new S-Class stand out. At first glance, the 2025 S-Class keeps its iconic silhouette but refines it with even sleeker lines and a more aerodynamic profile. The front grille is now more pronounced, complemented by the latest digital light headlights, offering unmatched illumination and futuristic design. The overall presence is nothing short of elegant, making sure this flagship sedan continues to turn heads. Step inside, and the cabin is nothing less than a masterpiece. Mercedes has pushed the boundaries of luxury, with an even more refined selection of materials, high-end wood, Nappa leather, and ambient lighting that adapts to your mood. The massive OLED infotainment screen remains the centerpiece, powered by the latest MBUX system. It's faster, more intuitive, and now features improved AI-driven voice commands. Whether you're adjusting the temperature, setting navigation, or just asking for a joke, MBUX responds effortlessly. Comfort has always been a priority for the S-Class, and the 2025 model takes it up another level. The seats offer multiple massage functions, with new heat and cooling zones tailored for each passenger. The rear seats? They're practically a first-class experience, featuring recline functions, footrests, and even an optional fridge to keep your drinks chilled. Now, let's talk about performance. Under the hood, the 2025 S-Class offers a range of powertrains, from a refined inline-six to a powerful V8 with EQ-Boost mild hybrid technology. And for those craving even more, the S63 AMG e-Performance brings electrified power, delivering a stunning combination of speed and efficiency. The ride is exceptionally smooth, thanks to the advanced airmatic suspension and the latest iteration of rear-wheel steering, making this large sedan handle like a much smaller car. Technology and safety are also top-tier. The latest autonomous driving features allow for nearly hands-free operation in certain conditions. With improved sensors, cameras, and AI integration, the S-Class is more aware of its surroundings than ever before, ensuring maximum safety for you and your passengers. So, is the 2025 Mercedes S-Class still the king of luxury sedans? With its blend of cutting-edge technology, supreme comfort, and effortless performance, it's safe to say Mercedes continues to set the standard. Let me know what you think. Does the new S-Class live up to expectations? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more car reviews. See you in the next one.